guys, welcome if you are new, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. You can see the boys decided to make an early entrance in the video, but before I even get started, before I even jump into this video, actually I'm gonna put a pin right here, and then I am going to play like some of the footage when we went to Dollar Tree. It's not really a lot because I kind of suck at recording in public. I'm not there yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and start that. You guys can kind of check it out. It's snowing. It's not snowing as much as it was. Of course, the sirens are going off now that I'm talking. We have snow, people. Huh? Oh. Almost fell.
Oh, Elijah, we need some garland for the tree.
What color?
Touch it so you can see which one.
That's one.
You want to wrap this one around the tree? So I'm thinking it's like two of them, possibly. Oh Lord, I'm making a mess. It's not gonna work.
Yeah. Yeah? Oh, you want to get a letter? What letter do you want? Is that the only letter you have? Oh no, it says peace. It's not like a letter. It just says peace, Elijah. Yeah, it's not a letter. We can look for letters. I have no clue what we are doing.
Alright, so now that we are back home, let's go ahead and do like this. It's when I say mini, it is like a mini Dollar Tree Christmas haul. And then after that, we can go ahead and get start decorating our tree. Elijah, do you want to help me take the stuff out the bags? Yeah, you want to help me?
Yeah.
Come on, come sit right here. All right, so let me start by saying, so the size tree that we have a 4-foot tree. I think it's 4 or 4.5 foot tree. We used to have a six, 7 foot, 6, 7 foot tree, whatever it is. It was a white tree, but we just got rid of it last year. So we opted to get the shorter tree, more so for the boys. We'll get a bigger one eventually, and it is like a colorful. I keep looking over. It's a colorful pre-lit tree. So Josiah was asleep at the time. This is Josiah. He was asleep at the time. Elijah was awake. So Elijah, let's show them all the things that we got for your tree. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So start with the ornaments. You gotta hold it up. So these, Joey, these are blue and silver, as you can see. They are glitter, and then let me see these. I'm gonna hold these up. So they're both 12 pack. So these are like a little darker, but they're also they're dark blue and silver, and then they have like the little strings in there that we can tie. You want to hold up your garland? Show your garland. So we just got two 9 foot. So that one, and then they only had one of those. So we got the silver one. So we got one blue with the blue and silver one, and we got that one. And these, I'm really excited about these. Let's hold these up. So we got the reindeer. So we got 2 reindeers. And then hold on, Joe. We got 2 reindeers and then 2 elves. And then I'm going to put our pictures in these. Okay. Let's see what else we got. This is our tree. That's our tree. Elijah has the tree skirt. And then Josiah has stockings. So Ben and we have matching stockings, and I want to try to embroider our initials on there. So, yep. Thank you, buddy. You're doing such a good job. All right, let's see what else we got. Gloves. It was snowing today. Oh, here's the other 2, the penguins. Gloves, and then here are the penguins. Okay. This says, what does it say?
Santa paws. Please stop here.
Santa paws? What? Oh, because it's like a puppy. So we're going to hang this by their tree. And what else we got? Ben saw this one. He thought this one was cool, which it is cool. Yep. And what else we got? All right, so this one says, "Oh, what fun!" And y'all this way. And this one says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." So these are for the boys. Is that everything? Is that all too bad? Oh, I guess that was everything. I don't know why I thought we got more, but you got it. We need some help. Let me see. Yeah, turn around. Let's turn this way. All right, there's Santa Claus, and it says, what does it say? Ho ho ho! And this is our tree skirt. So, that is, you want to see it, Joey? So that's everything we got from Dollar Tree. And now it's time to decorate our tree. You guys ready?
Yes.
What you just throw over here?
Wow.
All right, let's get our tree started. All right, definitely forgot a few extra things. Candy canes, ignore the chair. I know it's dirty. Candy canes, got 2 boxes of candy canes. And I feel like, I know Elijah, he's gonna like sneak them. Got me some hot chocolates, and then to go along with the hot chocolate, here, if I can get it open. We do live on the earth. What planet do we live on? We do. We live on planet Earth. Hot cocoa served here. Cute mug with a red handle. Also got it from Dollar Tree. All right, let's do our tree.